home.
What?
What you doing? I already started the video. Oh, yeah, I'll tell you about it from here. It's okay, I'm home. I'm waiting for you. I've been waiting for you.
You started already?
Yeah.
But what's the other piate? But also, some carpet. Yeah, but there you go. What up? What it is? What it is? What you met me?
Ready?
Hmm?
You ready?
Nah, you ready?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That's my guess as usual. I keep telling you it's our channel or my channel or what?
Right.
Huh?
Yeah, mine.
Anyway guys, welcome back. Today we have another fun video for you. So video nous parle faire aujourd'hui how well does Patrick Snows me?
Why you do about the question? Why?
No, but the question who?
Why not?
You're not supposed to know pour penser about the réponse, no.
Yeah, but the last one really did show me the questions.
Because now, ça c'est un bagage pour like pour nous deux. Ça c'est un bagage pour un seul monde.
Oh. So
Yeah.
What about you?
It's about me. Comment on dit ça en créole?
Yeah.
How well do you know me?
There's a question on them.
Ok, so nous
Yeah, so
parlons.
on them way.
Nous parlons si Patrick connaît vrai. Give 20 questions for him.
Wow.
And then pour poser la question, il better give me exact question, exact answer.
Let me get that over corner. Like 8 out of 20. That's not bad.
20. I'm gonna go with him like easy. My back easy question avant. You ready? And you get like little watermelon, a snack. So
What have you not sniffed?
no. Okay, guys.
So she sniffed.
I'm trying to be comfortable, not too comfortable, so I can looking at you guys. Yeah. So
Yeah, but you asking me questions, you should be looking at me.
I'm looking at both of you,
Wow.
you and them.
Huh?
Okay.
I'm going corner.
Première question. What is my middle name?
Really?
Okay.
Damn.
Tu m'as commencé avec vous.
Yeah, but you got the nerves to ask me that question?
Yeah, easy.
I gave you that. I gave
No, you
that.
did not. No, come on. It's a free trial, my ball now. Because when it's out, ligue on point pour lui, like. So you did not give me that name, please.
But I know you got that name.
Poco,
Some years
nous pas faire pour faire connaître que I was born with my middle name because I wasn't born with my middle
Exactly.
name.
That's what I'm trying to explain. That's
Yeah,
what I'm
but what du coup ça c'est au moins qui born middle name là. Yeah, but it's them. Combien de temps?
But you were not born with it.
Yeah, c'est ça m'a fait connaître là. I wasn't born with my middle name, but c'est pas au moins qui de middle name. Don't take credit for that. Next.
Wow. At least I know when you got it.
Yes, you did.
5 years ago.
Yeah. Okay.
Enough.
What is my zodiac sign?
You know I'm not good at that.
See?
Oh, I got it. No. So no, I can't forget.
Oh, Pop, you're not even looking at the camera.
I don't
like,
have to, but
that's the way you sing.
But they hear me talking. Yo, she likes water.
Huh?
Okay? The way me look. Basically, she's a Pisces. Pisces, y'all.
Ok, chaque question gagne ou pas mon beau?
Hell no. I learn more no second to know.
Aww. Oh, look at you guys.
So I feel mundo.
Thank you. Oh, I wanna cry.
That's my baby.
Reason. Yes. Thank you, babe.
Pisces.
Vamos a suerte here.
Mas não vale pro pé, o meu.
Oh.
Decline there, over.
Okay.
Pisces, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing good. But if I remember, I'm blue. I do over.
Ok. Troisième question. De,
Você
se
fala
fala
de
de.
cadeira?
You know, I can't by icon. I'm about to put focus on your eye contact sometimes.
Continue to go.
I have something in my eye. I don't know what it is.
Oh, 3 days.
Now, don't just that video, guys. What you see is what you get. So what you fair, second one fair. We don't edit nothing. You just play video and then we post it.
That's
If
it. You don't edit,
guide, like
no, I would say, no,
this is like
Jean-Wella
this
is
is
war.
Yeah. Why? Yeah! This is raw, nous pas couper rien. Sauf ça, on peut couper, maybe petit devant, avec un petit derrière. Dans toute vidéo, it's raw. Okay? Next one.
We don't edit Jack.
Have I ever performed on stage?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah, before I know you.
Like, bon example of
Like,
what?
what's bad? They're going to hide to your wall. It's bad. It's bad, you.
What?
Because ma konnen son nou. Se Haiti, yon kon fè ti bagay l'ekol, l'ekol la, yon fè bagay, yeah, but here, nah,
Okay.
never.
So, okay. So, I have performed on stage, right?
Yes,
Okay.
when you were younger, back in Haiti.
Yes, you're right.
Easy question,
Okay, this one you have.
because I saw some pictures.
Okay. How many credit cards do I have? Oops. Count.
Credit cards that really works. That works.
Yes, you have
that are not expired.
No, back in. It's not quite expired yet.
True.
Didn't get it. Then it's 3.
What's the third one?
So perdu ça because c'est 3 liés.
Okay, she got 3.
Okay, I'm not saying by no, but it's 3.
That's what I should have. What?
I didn't even think you were gonna say the second one.
Exactly, it's a debit card.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it, you got it.
So
She got 3. But I lost.
So, ou 2 so far. No, we get 3 questions right.
3 to 1.
Yeah. What's my favorite ice cream flavor?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ah,
Not chocolate chip cookies. Ice cream? Oh, chocolate.
hell no. But my bon pool. I know you didn't mean to say chocolate chip cookie.
Give me a clue.
I know what you meant to say.
Yeah, so give me a clue.
But it's a cookie. But not chocolate, c'est pas chocolate chip. Il toujours remember chocolate chip. But he got it right, but said no one.
Yeah.
Say no one.
But no, seriously. At least I'm halfway.
Yeah, you're halfway.
Don't give me credit.
It's cookie and
just
it's
give me.
cookie and cream. Say what?
Yeah, cookie and cream.
Saki and Oreo.
What? That's
Why
what,
you
that's
keep
what I have.
calling it chocolate chip?
I always say that, right?
So that's why work is off later because it's also good.
Yes, I get Oreo.
Oreo.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm a ball player because
So,
I know what it meant.
Yeah, give me credit.
Yeah. Yep. You can put this in the middle.
Why?
Or you can hold
You're
it.
not eating?
Yeah, I'm eating. Rafraîchi.
Gorge là. I forme pas le mal.
Okay. Ooh. Vamos a put this up. Next one. What would I choose for my last meal? If I know I'm gonna die tomorrow, what would I eat for my last meal?
Seafood.
I thought it was gonna lose. Yes. One get tout by you not that one like seafood.
Lobster, shrimp.
Like a seafood boil.
Seafood, yeah.
Oh my god, I didn't think it was gonna
Definitely. No. That, man, I know you love, you like lobster.
Yeah.
That's your
Shrimp.
favorite. Shrimp and them scallops.
Yep. Well, that's good. How do I like my coffee?
With milk, with cream. With
That
milk.
was an easy one. That was too easy.
With milk. Me, I like my coffee black.
Yeah. What's my favorite kind of cake? I'm talking about flavor cake. If you
When you say flavor, there's a fruit included? No, it's a flavor. The flavor should be vanilla. Okay, then pineapple cake.
what?
So, okay, what do you buy
Don't
flavor?
get me wrong, I love pineapple cake.
What do you buy flavor? When you say flavor, what is the flavor do you mean?
Is it a flavor or what
See?
type of cake do
See?
I like?
Then you're confused.
Okay, what type of cake do I like? There shouldn't be no pineapple, no vanilla, no nothing. What do I always have? Even cupcake, even my birthday
Oh, I got
cake,
you,
like,
I got you.
Come on.
You should have said, what kind of cake do I like?
Is it, what, is it a,
Velvet.
yeah. It is a kind.
Yeah, velvet. Velvet cake.
Red velvet.
Well, red velvet. And then the next one is carrot cake. That guy, that's what you should have said. It's a flavor. Come on now.
Okay, maybe I phrased the question.
Red velvet cake, and the second one is carrot cake.
What about the third
The
one?
third one is pineapple cake.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take a question so what is it, man? What's my favorite holiday? Okay. My favorite holiday. Come on now, papi.
Give me a clue.
Oh, hell no.
You say you mean holiday, holiday.
Holiday, just one.
Christmas Eve? Christmas?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
C'est Christmas Eve, Christmas. Moi, mes saisons Christmas là, in general.
What's mine?
4th of July. Right? 4th of July. I know. Have I ever quit a job?
Yep.
Have I ever get fired?
Not yet.
I
But
never get
you're on the
fired.
verge to.
What do you mean?
I know they're gonna fire you.
What for? I thought that should never happen to the job. Excuse me? Hello?
I heard you.
I'm the...
You know, I'm gonna ask
Why
them.
am I getting
I'm gonna
fired?
ask them to fire you.
Okay, then I can sit here doing nothing at home.
Yeah,
Don't have a job.
cooking all night, all day, all night.
Hell no. How many job I quit?
That's fine.
Nope.
The other one, you didn't quit.
I quit.
That's not quit. It's like, the other one. when
Once you left without getting fired.
The other one, when you left,
Which one?
the first one.
Okay,
When
I
you
just left.
You just left. You had nowhere to go. You were not going back to work. You went back to school. You just tell them that, I'm not coming back. But the second one, you give them.
Which one you talking about? I didn't even know you when I had my first job.
That's what I'm saying. The Western Beef thing.
Yeah, but I didn't left because I had to go to school. I was
left-
still in school.
You left because you didn't like it.
Yes.
You just left.
Yeah.
But the second
Not
one
showing
you
up
gave
the next
them,
day.
you told them about it like a month or 15 days before.
Yeah, I told them I was coming back. I didn't know I was gonna have my job when I was doing my internship.
Of course not. But
So-
anyway, okay, so
It's still quit.
okay, then two.
Yeah,
Then two.
too. But I never get fired. I don't know why you say like soon. I don't know what you've been talking to my boss about. I don't know.
I've been talking to your manager, but she's been calling me all the goddamn time. And Patrick, with that girl, man, I don't know what to do with her.
Next one. Oh, we lost count. I think so far. Upoko,
Yep,
bye.
but I've lost.
Yeah. Credit card la.
That was it? Yeah.
Uh-huh. Do I like reality television?
Hell yeah.
For example, que show qu'on wè m'a gade na television?
The Wives of Atlanta.
The Voice of
Bachelor.
Atlanta.
The Bachelor is not reality. That's
That's
reality.
reality.
Yeah. And so many other jokes that I'm not gonna mention here. Because you're crazy.
He hates when I'm
She's
watching.
crazy, yo.
those
She's
shows.
crazy like that. You know what I mean?
Please show me about casting when I'm be watching the Love and Hip Hops.
The motherfucking
He can't stand when I'm watching
people.
Love and Hip Hop. So,
I can't even stand.
but I love them dramas. So I do watch a lot of reality TV.
I don't swing that way.
Have I ever broken a bone?
A what?
Have I ever have a bone in my body that's broke, like taking pied cassé ou bien
No.
pied cassé ou bien anything?
No.
Ou sûr?
Oh no. Have you ever had a broken bone?
Uh-huh.
While I know you, while you.
Even though you didn't know
While
me,
we-
like my youngest, my like. Que partage là? in life in general?
I don't know. And the madam not la.
Yes or no?
I say I don't know.
There's no I don't know, it's type 2.
No.
Okay, you're right. End up testing.
Yeah. Because you never told me about it.
I know they can make us say.
Yeah, why pied cassé?
Pied cassé, pied cassé. Yeah.
Yeah, pied cassé. Yeah, why pied cassé?
Something cassé.
Ouais, madame le claude là. Madame est un bon garçon.
You guys, Patrick is so nosy. So nosy. On buy for some for him.
Ah, il va passer avec moi.
What position do I slip in? What's like the position that I
On
slip
your
in?
face.
Guys, and you know that's what he was gonna say.
You're on your belly, but your face is in the pillow. It's totally in the pillow. Because I'm just sorry, open the door so Google.
I think li gâte non moins because sometimes cheveux, mon j'aime pas mess up cheveux. There's pas vle coucher avec pour cheveux à pas bagay. Like the only like best position pour moi pour coucher pour cheveux pas mess up c'est figure. I don't know. But c'est sous figure. Ils ont like mauvais habitude de coucher sous figure.
How you do that? I don't know.
C'est la most comfortable. Pour dormir prendre like même si vous êtes couché on the side, vous venez retourner dans la best position, which is coucher sous flat and then figure him down. But I stand when he couché sous the, oh my gosh. I can't even stand when he sleep like on his back. Am I afraid of dead body?
Yeah. Yeah. Everybody does. I do.
Are you?
Hell yeah.
Even if you know pas longtemps, my parents will regarder.
Ça qui m'a regardé.
Some pas regarder.
What?
Somebody's coming here.
What?
The white guy.
The white guy?
But then they put trouble with it. Anyway, guys. Oh, maybe FedEx or oh, I have packages, guys.
No, come on. You can't go. You want me to go? Let me go get it.
Okay.
Go get it.
I have 3 things coming. Hold on, guys.
I'm so dead on that movie.
Oh no, that's not mine.
Baga por la rua.
But hold on.
But that's like if I'm going to do you.
No, that's not mine.
You don't go visit that.
It was going to take a while.
It's been 2 weeks.
No, but you're from Konnen, was shipped like. The last one they shipped it Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah.
Et puis.
What the hell is Cinco? Was it Cinco de Seattle?
Yeah, so that's not my pocket. I was already excited. Okay, guys. So yes, I'm afraid of that body. That's good for my dress. What is my fear? You hiding that big belly?
Hell yeah.
What is my fear, baby?
Fear of losing me. Right?
We'll get back to that. Yeah, that's one of them.
Then that's it. Then move on.
That's one of them.
Move to the next question.
Get lot toujours, but okay, boss because that's one of them actually. Have I ever voted?
Not yet. But you're going to do that next year.
Why? Guys, because I'm voting now. I never voted in my life. Not even when I was in Haiti, I didn't even have age.
Why was it what? You don't have
I was on that age. I'm not.
A lot of people that be watching this haven't voted either.
I was on that age in Haiti.
If you love Monday, they want the bullshit.
But why you not vote?
BS production. Yes.
Non, je dis why you pour pas voter, non non dire voter.
I don't parler là.
Non, avec moun yo k'ap di ça.
Oh, I was like.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. So, pourquoi j'aime voter dans vie?
Wow.
Next one.
Wow, what is that?
No.
Damn. I get it done already.
When was the last time I had a haircut? You should know that.
Because I cut it.
You did.
That's 4 years ago.
No.
It's 4 years ago. We've been here for
3 years. We've been here for 3 years. It wasn't my last time. It wasn't the last year.
Before we left the other house.
No, when I came here, my hair was already like back.
So since we've been here, depuis les nous là,
No.
that's what I'm saying. So
But let them move in là. Should they couldn't go back.
that's what I'm saying.
Il va penser qu'à 1 an pour te gros. Il te prend plus.
I know. Take it as it is. Okay, 4 years.
4 years?
Or 4.5 years.
Okay. He did cut my hair.
Hell yeah.
He gave me the best haircut. Do you think I should try cutting my? Let me not even say anything about that. Have I ever gotten a ticket for driving?
Hell yeah.
How many?
So far, just one.
Okay, you're right. I was gonna have a second one, but since I had that card, what do you call them?
They gave you a free pass.
Yes, but they took my freaking card.
They took it from you.
Yeah.
And they said, tell your cousin not to do that again.
No, he said, tell your cousin to give you another one. And he took my card.
So it was good for just one violation?
No, they're not supposed to take it. It's not like it's for a number of violations. They're not supposed to take it.
I'm just saying.
So some of them are assholes.
That's what it looks like.
Some of them are assholes and they just.
Well, you said you tell your cousin to give you another one, so that means okay, this is for just this violation.
No, it's not like that.
I'm just saying.
I'm telling you, so believe me.
I heard you then. Go ahead, move on.
Duh.
Oh Lord. Man. Fuck.
Do I move a lot? Do I move around a lot in bed?
Not really. Not really.
Not really?
Yeah, not really.
I feel like I move around a lot.
Nah, that's not true.
Since I've been a light sleeper, I'm always moving. No? Because who dorme trop fond and they know pas konnen never move.
Then exactly. So take my words for it. Because I think it's only when I move, you move as well. Seriously. They chaque time when I move. Or they don't buy him that they won't move that you move. Yeah, every now and then, kind of walk where we move to. But
I move
you don't do that. You don't do it too often.
I do. You don't realize
all
it.
Right. Then you know.
Because Patrick is a deep sleeper.
No, 2. I didn't get 2 so far.
How would you describe me in 3 words? You have to think about it. Sorry guys, I'm not going to see bites I can pass on there, but do you have to think about it?
You are a very lovely person.
3 words, okay? I'm
very lovely person.
Okay.
That's it, you said 3 words. So what, you want 6, 9, 12?
Oh, that's not what I meant to say.
La pose question, et même quand qui ça veut dire.
Bon, 3 mots qui describent moi.
Oh.
That's what I meant to say.
Comprehensive.
Okay.
Understanding.
Okay.
Lovely.
Okay, give me more. I'm loving it.
Yeah.
You can give me more, right?
Yeah.
Give me more then.
Understanding, lovely, and caring.
Okay.
Yeah. She cares for me. She understands me and she loves me. So those 3 things I got for me. I don't need nothing else.
So what about me with
because
other people?
They cover everything else. You're the same with everybody. You only try to understand everybody. You care for everybody. And you like everybody.
I do like everybody.
As long as they like you. But if they don't like you, you'll be like, oh my God, let me be like Patrick. Fuck you. My bad. I like everybody as well.
Yeah,
but as the people fuck with me, hey, it's on.
Yeah.
Trust me on that. You want to come back to work today tomorrow or okay? I'm here, but I'm watching you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so she's very lovely, understanding, and caring.
Okay.
So those 3 things, when a person got them, they cover everything, the whole life.
Yeah, that's
I
true.
mean, that's how I look at it.
That's true though.
Yeah. Otherwise, me and you wouldn't last so long if you didn't have those three things.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't have one, in my previous relationship. And that's why I got out.
Alright guys, so I think that was the last one.
Cool.
So yeah guys.
That was so long.
Was it? I feel like
Yeah.
it's like short, but I don't know. But that's good anyway.
Like 20 minutes.
20 minutes? We don't know yet. So, do you guys like my hair? I did some special for you guys. My hair is bouncy.
You said you did it for me, now you said for them. Okay, I got you.
I just got my hair
Okay,
done.
the fourth that she got in here, she lies.
My hair
But
done.
she just lied to me, right? Yeah.
I'd say I got my pink nails for you. Remember? He likes pink. On me though. So I told him.
How is it I'm doing?
That's why I said on me. So I told him I got pink nails for him, and at my toes I got mani and pedi, so everything is pink for him. Yeah. So yeah guys, so that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. Probably you guys are subscribed. I'll fais ça encore, share, like, commenter. Ça nous connaît que ça nous t'a vu toujours.
Belon douce.
Belon douce, right?
Yeah.
Okay guys.
Pile rouge.
We'll see y'all later. You know guys, I have to kiss his bald head.
Você não cadê misem no bom dia? Não é misem?
Não é misé? Ou ele está misé?
Hell yeah. Man, bom nas horas novas, but the last time you kissed me, vamos dar tudo um vão.
Alright guys.
Veio, go.
Give me a kiss.
Go away. Não, não se
Bye, guys.
Se não vai boa boa no bela, eu quero tu niou. É vem se não go bom mundo na televisão. Mas eu não me vou desviar.
Oh my gosh!
Show.
Bye guys. We'll see you later.
Bye.